guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well today. And if you're new to my channel, hi guys, my name is Natalie. I post videos 3 times a week on a Tuesday, Thursday and a Saturday. So this video has been a long time coming. I did a fake tan video literally a year ago now and it went down really well. I've been wanting to do a new updated fake tan video for you guys for literally 6 months now. So that's what today's video is going to be. I'm absolutely freezing right now, so I'm just going to get straight on with today's video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content just like this, and let's get straight on with it. So I'm very cold right now, but you can see literally how pale I am. I haven't fake tanned literally since that video, I don't think, but that's just because lockdown can just get the better of you. I've just not felt like fake tanning. I've not felt like doing it, but now I'm thinking, do you know what, I want a glow up, let's go for it. I use 2 different tans. I use the Bondi Sands one if I want a gradual tan. So I'm just doing an instant 1 application routine. I'll be using this tropez one. This is so gorgeous. It's got a really good formula. It's really liquidy and it's one of the foam ones and I am so obsessed. I love this one so much. It's a bronzing water mousse and it's in the shade medium, I believe. So I'm going to be applying this today and I'm just going to get straight on with it. I know you're supposed to use like fake tan applicators and mitts and stuff, but I always forget to. I don't even know where mine are, so I'm just going straight in and using my hands. I'm going to start off with my legs. This is where I always like to start off with my fake tan. So I'm actually going to get out of my chair for once. So I'm going to be filming this near my radiator so it's a little bit warmer. So I just apply 2 pumps to my hand. I'm just going to use this to lean on. And then I try give quite an equal coverage. I like to use quite a lot because if not I then have to use another application the next day. It was quite dark but it wasn't like fully how I wanted it. So I do like to use quite a lot. I'm using literally 3 pumps at the moment and that's just for the bottom half of my leg. So I'm applying as even amount as I can and trying to be careful around my knees as well because I don't want to have uneven coverage on my knees because they're the parts that are more likely to go patchy from the start. So I've applied that there. I'm now going to apply it onto my thigh area. So I'm getting a good amount to apply to my thighs here. One of my favourite parts about this tan is the fact that it is so soft on your skin. So I've got such sensitive skin and I like the fact that it's a foam as well because it makes it go on so much easier. It's also one of those that dries like instantly. It does take like 4 to 8 hours to develop, so I'll be showing you guys the results in the morning, but it is such a good tan. So I'm just applying this everywhere. With it being a clear one, I always get really worried that I've missed parts just because you can't actually see what you have and haven't done. But I think it just looks so much more natural, does this one, rather than the ones that kind of are the instant ones that go on and they're literally orange and they've got to develop. But this one is like a long time developer, so I'm just applying this as evenly as I can. Oh, look at that bruise. I don't know where that came from. I always worry about my heels as well. When I'm applying fake tan, I always worry about my heels being too patchy because I feel like I always forget about them. The last time I did my tan was when I had my fake tan disaster. I'm basically orange and I forgot to wash my hands afterwards, which is something that I do literally every single time I apply tan. Is I always forget to wash my hands. But I applied my tan, I forgot to wash my hands. My hands turned orange. So if you guys haven't seen that video of me attempting to remove my orange fake tan off my hands, make sure to check it out because it's actually quite good. Like, it does work. The methods that I used to remove the tan actually did work. But yeah, it was an interesting one. My mum also did the exact same thing as me. She forgot to wash her hands afterwards. And it's what happens as well when you don't use a mitt to apply them with. So I would definitely recommend that. It's just I always forget and I have no idea what mine is. And again, I'm just getting a few pumps of this. And I'm just applying it here. I don't want to get it on my clothes, so I've missed tanning. I haven't tanned in so long, but I actually lost my fake tan as well and I got a new one. I've got a St. Moritz one, but I haven't actually tried it out yet. But it's one of those where you've got to sit in your room for half an hour and let it dry. It's like I just can't be bothered with that. But I'm just the laziest person on the planet and it's cold, it's winter, it's cold. So I'm just applying it to my back at the moment. So this part here is not my favourite part. I'm gonna tie my hair up for this. So I'm gonna do this area here all down my arms. One thing I don't mind about this one as well, I wouldn't recommend getting any cuts you've got. If you've got any like cuts in your skin, then it does not sting. However, other ones that I've tried before do sting a lot. So this one is actually really good for that. Makes your skin look so shiny after you've used it. See, when I decided to tan, first I was only going to do like my hands and my arms and my face, because I thought, what's the point in tanning the rest of my body when no one's gonna see it, like you guys aren't gonna see it. I only ever film in hoodies or jumpers and I'm not gonna be seeing anyone, so what's the point? But I kind of thought if I did a fake tan routine video and only did my hands and face, it'd look a little strange. So I thought I might be better off just doing my full body for this one. Do drop down in the comments below as well, guys, your favourite fake tans to use or any that you'd like me to try out, and I'll test them out in a video at some point. I want to get into a good routine of tanning like every however often. Now it's coming more towards like the summer season. So I'm going to do my back now. My back is always the hardest part to do. I can't remember if it was Molly May that did them or if they're off Pretty Little Thing, but you can get those tan applicators for your back that you literally just go like that with your back. It's like a towel for your back. It looks really good. So for this I'm actually going to pin my hair up properly so I don't get my hair on my tan. So that'll do for that. I'm just going to now apply some of this onto my back from the top and then do the rest from the bottom. Honestly feel sunburn, but right now it's literally impossible. So I'm now going to apply to the lower part of my back, which is not easy. This is what I need my mum for. I need her to come up and help me.
I don't think she'd appreciate me dragging her up the stairs to rub fake tan into my back for a video.
So now I'm going to apply this to my face. I'm going to be a bit more gentle and avoid like my eyes and all those areas. I am not sure if I've ever actually used this on my face. I feel like I must have done. So I don't want to apply too much because I don't want to go completely umpa-lumpa. But I want my face to match the rest of my body. Do you know one question that I've always had is, do people fake tan their ears? If so, how? Because you don't want to have like your ears be a completely different colour to your face and body. But I don't think people do. Because like I asked my mum before and she was like, you don't fake tan your ears. But it's like, how do people fake tan and look okay if they don't fake tan their ears? So that is pretty much all done and all rubbed in. I always worry about getting even coverage on my face, but that is pretty much done. So this is what I'm looking like now I've applied the actual tan. So what it looks like. I'm still extremely pale, so I'm going to see what it looks like in the morning. Hi guys, I'm now back. It is the next day and I actually did apply another very small coat last night of the fake tan because I felt like it wasn't fully how I wanted it to be. So just before bed I did the exact same process again, but I didn't apply anywhere near as much, probably half the amount that I did before. But I'm really happy with the outcome. I think it is really pretty. My hands are a little bit darker than I wanted them to be, but that's because I didn't use my applicator. I used my hands. I'm really sorry that this keeps going out of focus. I don't know why, it just keeps doing it. But yeah, I think it looks really nice. I've got good coverage everywhere. I've got a couple of little patchy areas like there, and on my hands they're a bit patchy, and there where I forgot to actually do the top of my hands, that is very white and not that good coverage, but those bits can be easily fixed. I'll just show you guys what it actually looks like my legs, my arms, just the whole body. So this is what it looks like for my back. And you can see my legs there, and I don't think there's anything better than wearing ripped shorts or ripped jeans when you tan. Like, it's so good. It's got such a good feel to it. So this is what it looks like, and I'm in love. I think it is so pretty. You can see that my face isn't patchy either. It don't look too bad, and because I did fake tan my ears, you can't actually tell that like they're any different from my face. I think it's actually not too bad. My neck is quite tan, like it's quite orange. So you can see my legs in this one, and honestly I think it's such a pretty golden kind of tan. I really like it. So I want to just use a comparison that I used before, which was against this black background here, so it kind of gives a better comparison. This is what it looks like. Please ignore the fluffy socks, my feet are freezing right now. So guys, that is it. That is my new and updated fake tan routine 2021. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed filming it for you guys. I love putting a new tan on. I think it makes you feel so much better about yourself. You look in the mirror and you're like, oh yeah, I'm tan. Like, I don't know, I feel like it just really boosts my self-confidence and just makes me feel so much better about myself. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.